Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add logo to a video in CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is first add the logo, the video that you want to edit, and prepare the logo beforehand. You can use a logo without a background, or you can just remove the background by using the background remover on CapCut. So here I'm going to just click on overlay and then add the logo. For example, I'm going to add this CapCut logo. Okay, you can see it doesn't have any background. Don't forget to adjust the line to fit with the video duration. And after that, just position the logo as you like. For example, I'm going to put it on the corner at the top like this. And if you want, you can also add animations to the logo. So go to animation, and here, for example, I'm going to just use the combo animation, the zoom one. Click on the animation that you want to use, and that's it. So that is how you can add logo to CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.